Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of processed foods. What are they, and how do they affect our health? Let's break it down. The term processed food can be a bit confusing. Most foods undergo some form of processing. Mechanical processing, like grinding beef or heating vegetables, isn't necessarily bad for you. It's the chemical processing that's the real issue. Mechanical processing doesn't usually make food less healthy, as long as no harmful chemicals are added. But chemical processing often involves refined ingredients and artificial substances, which can be problematic. Ultra-processed foods, sometimes called cosmetic foods, include items like frozen meals, baked goods, packaged breads, and sodas. They often taste great and are cheap, but they come with a downside. Let's get into why ultra-processed foods might not be the best choice for your health. Here are 7 key reasons why processed foods can be harmful. Firstly, added sugars and high fructose corn syrup are common in processed foods. These sugars provide empty calories and can lead to health issues like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Cutting down on added sugars, like choosing sparkling water over soda, can make a big difference. Next up, artificial ingredients. Many processed foods contain preservatives, artificial colors, and flavorings. While these additives are generally tested for safety, their long-term effects can still be controversial. Often, the ingredient list is full of unrecognizable chemicals that we'd rather avoid. Refined carbohydrates are another concern. They can cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, leading to cravings and increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Opt for whole grains and fresh fruits instead for a more balanced energy release. Ultra-processed foods are often low in essential nutrients. While some have added synthetic vitamins, they lack the full range of beneficial compounds found in whole foods. Whole foods offer more antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which are key for overall health. Fiber is crucial for digestion and heart health. Processed foods often have much less fiber compared to whole foods. Incorporating fiber-rich foods like beans, nuts, and whole grains can help maintain good digestive health. Processed foods are easy to eat and digest, which can lead to overeating. This contributes to consuming more calories than we burn, potentially leading to weight gain. Choosing more whole foods can help you feel fuller with fewer calories. Lastly, many processed foods contain trans fats, which are harmful to heart health. They increase bad cholesterol and inflammation in the body. Avoiding trans fats and choosing healthier oils can improve your overall well-being. So, next time you shop, remember to check those labels and opt for whole, minimally processed foods whenever possible. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips. See you next time.